Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream real, updated. First, gather whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, salt, and your favorite flavoring and mix well. Heat gently just to dissolve sugar, then cool quickly to preserve texture. Chill the mixture a minimum of 3 hours so it sets properly and develops flavor. Use an ice cream maker or freeze and stir method for smooth, scoopable results that everyone will enjoy. Start with a reliable ratio to guarantee creamy results and predictable freezing behavior. Combine 2 parts heavy cream with 1 part whole milk and add 150 g sugar per quart of mixture. Whisk in a pinch of salt and any extracts or purees gently so the base stays smooth. For custard-style ice cream, cook egg yolks with sugar and temper with hot milk for richness and stability that resists ice crystal formation. In this video, I will show how to make ice cream real, updated. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth as a light read to improve money habits and buy better equipment wisely. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. It pairs nicely with budgeting for kitchen upgrades. Now let's get back to the video. Gentle technique makes a huge difference, so be patient and avoid overheating. Temper egg yolks slowly when making custard to prevent scrambling and create a silky base. Chill thoroughly before churning, and stop the machine at soft serve consistency so the final freeze remains scoopable. Consider adding a tablespoon of alcohol or adjusting sugar to control the freezing point for a softer texture without affecting taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.